Lexington-Richland School District 5 has a strong legacy of excellence. Much of that legacy stems from Irmo High School, which was built in 1964. That makes it over 55 years old. On average, the lifespan of a school is between 40 and 50 years. With the aging process comes wear and tear, which means our beloved Irmo High School needs some renovations to bring the building into the 21st century. These improvements include a new media center, 21st century classrooms and labs, HVAC and roof improvements, increased security features, ADA accessibility, an updated administrative area, and upgraded ergonomic furniture. All of these improvements will cost around $49 million and will be completed using short-term borrowing. We are excited to accomplish this without a bond referendum and with a decrease in the current tax rate. Even more, these upgrades will potentially save the district money in the long run on energy costs. For reference, Chapin High School was built in 1971 and had major renovations completed between 2013 and 2015. Dutch Fork High School was built in 1992 with the addition of the Health Science Building in 2014. Spring Hill High School was built in 2013. Irmo High School added its West Wing in 1974 and the Center for the Arts in 2014. However, the East Wing, the oldest high school facility in our district, is in dire shape and needs major improvements to create equitable learning spaces for our students and in our facilities.
School District 5 is known for our awesome schools, and one day I'll be a yellow jacket at Irmo High School. Please make it a school I can be proud of. My friend and I love this district and want a high school that shines across our state and matches the excellence of its students. Please help us to be Irmo strong and support these improvements to Irmo High School.